Okay, I'm going to be going through some problems that are very similar to what you guys have as your homework assignment. And if you have any questions, you can let me know later and I can help you with that. So, the first question is number 22 on page 386, and the question asks you to find the individual angles. What I'm going to do is first split this into the two triangles. So we see that this one is 180 and this one is 180. That means that the whole quadrilateral has 360 degrees. So all you have to do is add the individual angles and they add up to 360. So for example, you just fill in the blanks. So the first angle is going to be the first angle is going to be 8n. Second angle is 24n. The third angle is 8n again. And the fourth angle is 20n. Okay, I'm going to rewrite this as a normal equation so it doesn't look funny. Alright, now it's just basic algebra. You can forget about the shape altogether and just focus on the algebra. So we're going to add up all the n's since those are the like terms. And so we have 8 plus 8 plus 24 plus 20, and I get 60. So I just added them all up in an order that made sense to me. Okay, and then of course your next step is to divide by 60 so that you can get the n by itself. So n equals 6. Now, on this problem, the question is actually asking you to find each individual angle. So you're going to want something like this. So the measure of angle A is 8n, and we now know that n is 6, so you're going to substitute it in, and we get 48 degrees. So that would be the size of A. The measure of angle B would be 24 times 6, which would be 144. Measure of angle C would be 20 times 6, which is 120. And the measure of angle D would be 8 times 6 again, which is also 48. So that would be your answer for that problem. Okay, if we go to the next one, it's the same idea. It's just a little bit more complicated because they give you some expressions and some numbers. Since this is a quadrilateral, they're also going to add up to 360 degrees, so I'm going to add up all four angles. And that's equal to 360. So the first one is 150, and then it's 150 again, 2x, and then 2x again. So I'm going to write that as a normal equation so it's easier to work with. Okay, and then we combine like terms. 150 and 150 are like terms because they don't have an x. 2x and 2x are like terms because they do have an x. So we have 300 plus 4x equals 360. Again, this is just regular algebra at this point. So I'm solving for x. I'm going to subtract 300 from both sides. And then I divide both sides by 4, and I get x equals 15. And on this problem, they're only asking you for x. They did not ask you to substitute in, so this is your final answer.